The Congress party has officially crossed the line from political opposition into cheap, classist, gutter politics. Unable to defeat Narendra Modi in polls, election after election, the Congress has now resorted to AI-generated filth. An AI video posted, it's playing on your screen, by Congress leader Rajini Naik shows PM Modi holding a kettle saying chai le lo, chai le lo. Let's just play out the video and then let's have a quick discussion.
आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए, आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए, आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए, आय चाहिए, चाय बोलो चाहिए.
Dr. Rajkumar Rajan, national spokesperson of the RJD, is also with us. Tehseen, what is this? Love for Samvidhan? Mocking someone who comes from the OBC community?
Not in good taste, and I think the overall standard of political opposition in our nation has completely dropped, be it stuff like this or in the past where language like Jersey cow or Congress ki vidwa was used. I think all politicians across party lines need to raise
but
the
one
standards.
Politician talks about mohabbat ki dukaan, you know, nyay, etc., etc. Is this nyay?
Like I said, look, at the end of the day, the Congress party seems to forget that these remarks hurt it in 2014. But there is a general larger discussion, and this is, forgive me for I'm just going to take 30 seconds and I'm going to ask the media also a question. That I understand that this is not right and these kind of statements should not be made or videos should not be generated. And it does affect the Congress party. But there's similar happening from the other side as well, Bal Buddhi. So, you know, language like this is also being used for the honorable leader of opposition. So what I'm saying is,
it is your alliance partner.
No, it was
IP Singh ji. IP Singh ji posted the tweet, he deleted it. Now when he's asked the question, and by the way, it does not hurt just the Congress. वो तो ठीक है, it hurts parties like the RJD. Dr. Rajan,
it was said in Parliament.
ये कांग्रेस ऐसे वीडियो जनरेट करके प्रधानमंत्री को गाली देती है और आपकी सीट कम हो जाती है, आप लोग विपक्ष में बैठ जाते हैं.
परनेश जी देखिए, राजनीति जो अभी बिहार के चुनाव जो हुआ उसमें एआई जनरेटेड कितने वीडियो चलाए गए, विपक्ष पर लगातार हमले किए. एआई जनरेटेड वीडियो दरअसल राजनीतिक व्यंग होता है. उन व्यंग के माध्यम से जनता, आम जनता तक एक सच को सामने लाने का एक तरीका है.
अच्छा.
और वह व्यंग का माध्यम एक लगातार सत्ता पक्ष और विपक्ष पार्टियां भी कर रही है.
तो ये ठीक है, मतलब
ये कोई
नई हिसाब से ये ठीक है, ये व्यंग है, एआई जनरेटेड किसी एक चाय वाले का मजाक उड़ाना, किसी ओबीसी वर्ग से आने वाले व्यक्ति का मजाक उड़ाना, ये व्यंग है आपके हिसाब से. तो इन सिन्हा ये व्यंग है, आप लोग क्यों ऑफेंस ले रहे हैं इसमें?
You know, Pranesh, never has an opposition party been so crudely imperialist. And look at the problem, you know, it shows a basic problem of psyche. They can't accept the fact that somebody who was not, you know, whose family was not invested in politics, who does not have a political pedigree, can rise up the ranks and become the prime minister. The Congress party still cannot accept it. And across history, you know, the kind of vicious games they played to prevent Babu Jagjeevan Ram, again a Dalit leader, from becoming the prime minister in 1970, 78, 79. The way they insulted, you know, Sitaram Kesri. Throughout history, they have had a condescending attitude towards self-made leaders who don't come from a political clan and political background. And this episode only reiterates that, you know, the mentality stays.
I'll come to you.
Tehseen was equating it.
Karan, this video is still there. Tuhin is right. This is, you know, part of the larger propaganda. Not the first time. This video is still there as we debate. Hasn't been taken down.
So the subtext of this, Pranesh, is that they are looking down on chaiwalas. What Rajkumar Ranjan just said, कि व्यंग होता है, मतलब व्यंग में चाय वाला किसी को बताना एक व्यंग है इनके हिसाब से. That is so condescending to begin with. This is the snobbery, Pranesh, that has cost them elections. There are lakhs of chaiwalas who work hard, toil through the day, earn their living. What are you trying to say? कि एक चाय वाला है तो हम उसका मजाक उड़ाएंगे? अगर कोई प्रोफेशन पूछना स्टार्ट कर दे, लालू प्रसाद यादव का क्या था इससे पहले, सोनिया गांधी जी का क्या था, बहुत दिक्कत हो जाएगी बहुत लोगों को. इस पे कोई जाना नहीं चाहिए. बट आप बार बार क्या कर रहे हो? यू आर एलियनेटिंग पीपल, यू आर लुकिंग डाउन ऑन देम एंड देन यू से वोट चोरी हो गई. वोट चोरी नहीं हो गई, आपकी क्रेडिबिलिटी की चोरी हो चुकी है. आपकी कंप्लीट एरोगेंस है जो जनता, पीपल आर सिक एंड टायर्ड ऑफ दिस लेवल ऑफ एरोगेंस. वी सॉ दिस इन बिहार. दे मॉक्ड द प्राइम मिनिस्टर्स मदर, लेट मदर. दे डिड इट shamelessly through AI. And now they've done this again. They don't learn from their mistakes.
Rahul Gandhi has, no influence over people, as in voters. Can't win elections for the party. But does he not even have control? Why is the video still there?
I think that this is not in good taste. Let me put that out there. I think continuously abusing the Prime Minister or making comments about what his profession was is not in good taste. It also doesn't politically help the Congress party. But I am not going to on national TV take lectures from the BJP at all, whose leaders have called Congress, Sonia Ji, that she only wins elections because wo gori thi, kali hoti to nahi jeeti. One second, please. No, one second. But why is it every time that we bring up the insults of Sonia Ji, we are cut off? There's Sonia Ji winning because do you agree with it? Because of Gori thi Kali ne. Even today, Giriraj Babu Ji from Giriraj Singh Ji from Bihar continues to be in the union cabinet. What action was taken on him? Is Kharge Ji not a Dalit leader? Kharge Ji, what language was used for Kharge Ji? What did BJP do? What did BJP do on Kharge Ji?
No, 1 minute. Kharge Ji wasn't even allowed to enter the room. When Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, I think it was, who was filing nomination, he was, stranded at the door. You forgot Kharge was a Dalit leader then?
One second. Let me again go there because that's misrepresentation. Because the collector allowed only 10, it was Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's husband, Robert Vadra, who went out, her kids went out, and they got Kharge Ji in and made him sit on the chair. But wait,
no, 1 minute. Rahul Gandhi said, Dande maro Narendra Modi ko.
That's exactly what I was coming to. When you said Rahul Gandhi objects to it, one second, let me complete now. It was Rahul Gandhi, Pranesh, who said 6 mahine mein, exact words, मोदी निकल नहीं पाएगा, लोग इसको डंडा मारेंगे. This is the leader of opposition we are talking about. ये है कांग्रेस की लीडर. यहां से ये है सोर्स इस पूरी चीज की. राहुल गांधी claps for these people.
डॉक्टर राजन, आप कह रहे हैं व्यंग है. अब लालू प्रसाद यादव के बारे में कोई बोलता है कि वो कन्विक्टेड हैं, चारा चोर हैं, वो व्यंग है या फैक्ट है?
नहीं, देखिए बिहार के चुनाव में किन शब्दों का प्रयोग किया गया, मंचों से किया गया, बंदूक और कट्टे की बात की गई थी.
तो वो तो
और इस तरह की बातें की गई थी जो जनसाधारण में, जन आंदोलन में उसकी जो भूमिका होनी चाहिए वो नकारात्मक भूमिका थी. और एक डायग्राम बनाया गया कि बिहार जो है,
सीधा जवाब दीजिए उसका. क्या चारा चोर कोई कहेगा तो वो व्यंग है या क्या है? वो चारा चोर क्या है डॉक्टर राजन?
नहीं, आप देखिए, सत्ता पक्ष कोई बात करे तो वह ईमानदारी की बात हो जाती है, उसको
प्रधानमंत्री के
लगेंगे.
माता जी को गाली दी गई मंच से, उस पे भी आप बोल दीजिए व्यंग है. Tuhin Sinha, Tehseen is saying the BJP does it, so they should not complain when we do it.
I don't say. I think Congress should not do it. But the BJP
let him speak.
Has no argument, so he's bringing up comments which were made 12 years ago. But the fact is, Ragini Nayak is a repeat offender. In the last 1 month, every day she comes up with some outrageous, picture. During Bihar elections, on one particular day, she came up with a picture where Nitish Kumar and Prime Minister Modi.
She can do what she wants. Why is Rahul Gandhi allowing this? I just hope you, by the time the debate, we don't have time, Tehseen. I just hope use your good offices. You have Rahul Gandhi's number. Send him a text message, WhatsApp, whatever, or video call him and tell him to get this post pulled down. At the very least, the apology, everything else, condemnation can happen later. We've run out of time, viewers. The news are coming up on the other side.